Well, hello, hello. This is Rosa, rcgkreations. How are you doing? I was gifted some free meals from Green Chef. Don't know anything about them. Hadn't heard about them. But my friend that gifted them to me, Barb, is a really good friend. And, you know, a free meal is a free meal. Now, I did have to pay for the shipping and handling. So this box did cost me $9.99 for shipping and handling. But it was okay because it was a referral from a friend. She had said, yes, she sent them to me. So I know that they were good and it wasn't a scam or anything. And I've been checking on the website, went and signed up, created a username and password, set all this all up. And I used to do the, well, I can't think of the name of the other one, meal things. But they were getting a little on the pricey side. So hubby and I said, let's just cut them out. Okay, so we quit using them. And so this is a free meal other than the $9.99 for shipping and handling. So let's see what all we get. Well, you want me to turn this so I can see that I'm in frame. Okay, so it's like all the other ones. Welcome to Green Chef, the #1 meal kit for eating well. Way to go on your thing. So little recipe thing. Oh, it's just like the other one. And you got your recipe card because you sign up for whatever meals that you want to try. So I won't go into all of that. They just come to me at the office. This is where I have it shipped. I don't like anything packed and delivered to my home because we're gone during the day. Not all the time because husband does have split shifts. So sometimes he works days, sometimes he works afternoon, sometimes he works nights. So it varies. And sometimes I get to work from home. And it is pretty well insulated. But it did arrive about 3 hours ago to my house, to my office. Okay, and look, it's nice and wrapped and sealed with a little label so you know what each one is. This one's the boom chicken. Let me move this out of the way. This one is the orange pineapple glazed pork. And everything is supposed to be in there for you to make your meal. You just have to prepare it. Pork with balsamic vinegar sauce. This one, blackened chicken cutlets and grits. So I love me some grits. Okay, and then the rest of this down here is a piece of cardboard. Oh, there's my ice pack. And the ice pack. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, it's ice pack. But that's holding the meat. So you've got your boneless pork chops. And I like that they're vacuum packed. So it's going to be nice for me to put them in the freezer. And with the fact that they're being labeled, it'd be easy enough for me to read what's what. The chicken cutlet. Another chicken cutlet. And another boneless pork chop. This is a pretty good size. Look, I hit my hand. Look at that. So it's a pretty good size. Boneless, and it's not really fatty. And it's vacuum packed. So I definitely like that. Oh, here's a chocolate chip cookie dough. So we get dessert. And then the bottom of it is another ice pack. Ooh, there you go. And I want to show you how very well it was packed. Look at that. It's pretty thick. I don't know what this is. But I'm going to put that. I don't think we'll need that. I may want the box for something else. And then these safe packs. Now they do say, cut the corner of a biodegrade gel pack, turn on hot water at sink, empty contents into sink, mixing with hot water. Recycle bio-drain gel pack, exterior plastic film with other plastics as accepted. So this is safe for you to dispose of in your sink. Now I have no freezer space, so typically I would refreeze this so it stays frozen, but I don't have none. So I'll get with hubby. More than likely, we're just going to do it exactly like it says. We'll put it in the sink, let it sit in the sink with some hot water, and let it go down the drain, since this is made to be sink safe. And there you go. Just want you to see that. So I thought that was really interesting. I like that. The other one, I don't remember if the other one said that or not, but I had a whole bunch of them that I was saving because I wanted to save them for our ice coolers, but we just never did. We ended up eventually letting them thaw out. We just threw them away in the garbage, and we did them in our recycle bin. Okay, so that's the end of the unveiling of this box. So this is going to be a quick little video because this is just my unveiling of a package item. Oh, look. Let's see. So here's your welcome packet thing I told you about. Then you give a friend a free box. So here's a referral thing to give a friend a free box for a free meal. 1, 2, they gave me 3 of these, so I can pass this forward to 3 different friends. And oh, okay, just can't with carbs. Core keto bars have only 3 grams of net carbs, so that's this little bar. Okay, this little bar right here. Core keto bars have only 3 grams of net carbs and 0 grams of added sugar, so you can bite into this bliss without dodging your diet. And here's a code to get 25% off. So that's a thank you gift. So that was nice. Okay, what is this package? Eat well with exclusive offers. Okay, so this is just other offers that they're offering. Okay. Star Wars, no Jedi mind tricks, just $60 off Star Wars toys. Jenny Kane, don't know who that is. That's some kind of clothing person. Discount for that. BritBox, never heard of it, don't know nothing about it. Okay. Recipe for the perfect mortar mystery. Oh, okay, so this is a movie, so buy a movie, but we don't need to do that. And then trade Amazon coffee from the best local roasters. We don't drink coffee, so we don't need that either. But that was nice for those, who just might. So it's like little extra goodies you get. And then here is the orange pineapple recipe. What is really nice about these recipe cards is if you get a 3-ring binder, get some sheet protectors, you can put these in there, and then you have these recipes for you to go ahead and make your own because it's got all the directions. Everything is on there. See that? And it even tells you how long the cook time is, 30 minutes, 2 servings, 560 calories per serving, net carbs are 20 grams. The menu is keto, paleo, gluten-free, and I signed up for this because you sign up for what meals you want. Okay, it even tells you here what you'll need. You'll need a medium and large saute pan, baking sheet, measuring spoons, thermometer, oven mitt, cooking oil, salt and pepper. And if there's any allergens, there's tree nuts. So that is really nice about that. So I like that. Then this one's the blackened chicken and grits, same information. Tells you what your allergens are, would be milk, tree nuts, and eggs. So, and all that was already on the website. So you already saw that, so that's why I picked these certain meals. But Hubby and I are pretty much not allergic to anything. I am allergic to shellfish. And then here's the pork with balsamic fig sauce. Isn't that pretty? That looks so yummy, doesn't it? That's going to be a good meal. And then here's the boom boom chicken. So we're going to have one of these for supper tonight. I don't know which one, but we'll see what it is. But anyway, thank you for watching, and then I will do a recap of this on a separate video of whatever meal we end up making and do a taste test to see how good it is. But since all this stuff, you know what, let's just go ahead and open one. Because just to see what all the goodies they could give you, because it's supposed to be everything. I know this is going to be a cookie video anyway. Okay. Yeah, it's just like that other, oh, Hello Fresh, that's the name of that other vendor. It's an online service that for meals. Okay, so this is your Boom Boom sauce, contains 3 nuts, eggs. Oh, I like that. See, it tells you what all is included in that. So that's the sauce. This one is the honey, so a package of honey. This one is the ginger sesame vinaigrette. See, you can definitely see that. So that's more, they give you enough to make the actual meal. And here's your red cabbage. This is, I think these are the sesame seeds. Oh, what is it called? Chick and white sesame seeds. Oh, black and white sesame seeds. So the sesame seeds. Your one green onion. And see how it's all vacuum packed in here? I like that. There's little holes in here for a little air circulation on this one. This one doesn't have any holes in it, but it is vacuum sealed, so that keeps it fresh. And like the Hello Fresh stuff, I actually kept a lot of that stuff in my vegetable bins for over weeks because I made a meal every week, and they stayed good for a whole 6-7 days. Okay, here's your snow peas. And then here are your 2 carrots. And again, they're also in an airtight bag. So my whole meal's right here, then the meat's right here to go with it, and I'm all ready to make my food. All I gotta do is prep it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. And don't forget, go into the description box to see some of the other vendors that I'm affiliated with. Don't cost you anything. And there's some links in there for you to go directly to there, and that'll just help my channel grow. Take care now. Bye-bye.